Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia. Today I am making a Southern favorite, chicken fried steak. Despite its name, it has nothing to do with chicken. It's just battered like fried chicken. Let's get to the ingredients. Seasoned salt, cayenne pepper, salt, paprika, black pepper, butter, flour, eggs, whole milk, oil, and the cube steak. I have washed it in lemon juice and rinsed it several times in cold water. Now let's begin the dish. With the flour here, I'm adding the seasoning salt to the flour. Cayenne pepper, paprika, black pepper, and we take a whisk and mix everything up together. All the seasoning into the flour. Now we're going to turn the stove on medium high. Then we're going to add the oil to the pan. And also the butter. Now, the egg, we're going to add the milk to this bowl with the eggs in it. We're going to take the whisk and mix the eggs and the milk together. The next thing is we're going to take the cube steak and dredge it in the flour. Then we're going to dip it in the egg mixture. Then we're going to dip it in the flour again. Have a plate here. I'm going to shake it, all the excess flour off. Put it in the plate. And we're going to keep doing this till we finish. Flour mixture, egg mixture. Back into the flour. And we put it on the plate. Now that the cube steak has been breaded, I'm going to add it to the oil to fry. We're going to cook 2 pieces at a time. So let it fry on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes or until it's brown. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Let's check and see if it's time to flip over the key steak. Walk it in. Now we'll let them cook on this side for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, now the next step is to take them out and put them on a plate lined with paper towel. That is so the grease will evaporate into the towel. Now that the chicken fried steak is done, we're going to move on making the gravy. I have some seasoned flour here from the breading of the cube steak. So now I'm going to add it to the frying pan, to the oil. We pulled off some of the excess oil. We add a little black pepper to it, and we take a whisk and whisk it all up together. We cook it for about a minute to 2 to get the raw flour taste from the gravy. Now that the flour has cooked enough, now we slowly add the milk in and keep whisking it. We cook this gravy for about 10 to 15 minutes. We constantly whisk it so it don't lump up. Look at the gravy jumping over the cube steak. Here you have it, chicken fried steak with gravy. I'm serving it with garlic mashed potatoes. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.